My name is Damien Shaver. I live in Parker, Texas. We found garage living when we were building this house. We built this house kind of custom, built the garage the way I wanted it with 3 cars, so we've got room for a lift. My dad and I restored an old Mustang when I was a kid. That was my car, first car, so we spent a lot of time working on that, and he really instilled that love of vehicles. We put a ball net in, so my son can come out and play basketball or throw a football, come spend time here and hang out. Yeah, so we had a great time working with Garage Living. Conway came out multiple times during both design and installation process and spent a lot of time just talking to me about different options, and we even made some changes on the fly. Got here with different pieces. We decided, this doesn't look good here, let's put it over here, or we've got 2 racks, but really only one's gonna fit where we need it. So he was there step by step throughout the whole process. And then the install team themselves, they spent hours just lining everything up, getting everything nice and clean, nice and neat, moving things around just the way we needed them, and even doing some custom work. So we had a sink installed, which is not something you normally think out of a garage cabinet, but they were able to, cut a hole, put a sink in, nice and clean, turned out really great. So I'd say their customer service is top notch. They're right there with you the whole time. I'd absolutely recommend Garage Living. The quality of the materials that they use and just the attention to detail that they give when they're installing and helping you through the process. Definitely high quality product and high quality people.